Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are reacting to funny animals. Yeah, let's just see how this plays out for these animals. I'm probably gonna feel bad for a lot of them, but here we go.
What a treat.
That's so funny, guys. Oh. Okay. Oh my, okay. Toilet! Whoa. Okay. I thought he was flying off a roof there for a second. Ah! Oh!
No.
Let's go. Load up.
Guys, this is just so funny. I gotta rewind that. How did he even get there? Not this. Come back. His back leg said parkour. How did you even get in there? How did you even get in there? Over the tail. Oh my god, this is so funny. Here it goes.
Oh!
Careful. Oh, there it goes.
Oh!
Kaya mo yan din siya. Yan! Yay!
Guys, this is funny. Oh my, oh, that's just more embarrassing than funny. Oh, what? Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, I know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen. I knew it. Okay, here it goes. That's just more unfortunate than funny. What is he doing? Okay. Okay.
Hello. One more time. There you go.
What is this? What is this? What is it?
Want to see who's full of soup? Look at her. Soup.
Kylo, what are you doing? Back it up. Back. Get off of there. Back it up. Keep going.
Max, you gotta let go. Dude. Are you nuts? There he goes. He's still hanging. What?
Guys, this is so funny! What? 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 Oh, that's just a He's like, give me it back. This is fun. What is up with these animals having so big bellies? What?
Ninho!
What?
Oh meu Deus, que catupiry é esse menino? Meu pai do céu eterno!
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Go to slide! Go to slide! His face is so mad!
What? Oh, he can't touch it. He can't touch it. He can't touch it.
Oh, we got a videotape.
Guys, I'm sorry. These are just so funny. Guys, these are too funny. What? What is he doing? Stick.
You sausage.
Sausage. Porcupine.
Did you get the frisbee stuck on your head?
Yes, he did. What? What? Bro, Spider-Man.
I just want to pet you.
So forceful at this biscuit factory.
Sorry, guys. This is just so funny. This is funny. sorry. It's so funny. I'm sorry, I had to fix the camera, but it's just so funny.
You going somewhere?
Yeah.
You're like, wow, you told me. I haven't figured it out yet.
Let's go party. Let's go make a pee-pee.
Oh. My day just gets better and better, don't it? You see anybody else here stepping up?
Poppy, get out of my cacti now! Poppy, get down! Poppy!
Right. Go then.
Guys, it's so funny. What?
No, stop.
The dog. What? The cat? The goat? Oh, those aren't goats, those are deer.
No. No.
No.
No.
Nabasa na language. Ano ba?
No.
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 Saramay.
Dale.
Please.
Hey, help Chuck. Help the cart.
Good boy.
Yeah, no! Be nice to us, Poppy.
Good boy.
And guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, and have a great school year. But that was really funny.